Hey, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a nasty beauty blender. Anyway, you probably saw my other video where I did a makeup tutorial. I'll do some more, but yeah. So after you do your makeup, you're going to have this. So what you're going to do is pull, pull that little lever thing, back of your sink, the little lever that holds the drain. Well, put it right here so you can see. Nah, I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna put my sink. Anyway, so you're gonna clog it. And you're gonna put some water in it. You see how dirty. It has to be clean water though. After you soap, after your body wash, hand soap, a lot of it. That much. These waters be nasty. You're gonna mix the hand soap. You're gonna have to. Till your water looks something like that. You're gonna take the video and you go plop right in the water. It's gonna look like this. So get it really wet. Squeeze it. See all that foundation and stuff? Get more water. Keep doing it so your brush doesn't look like this. You might need to squish it. Put all your weight on it. Sorry, put all your weight on it. And this is not lip gloss. This is just a lipstick. Anyway, it's gonna still look like that. Then you're gonna take your soapy soap. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Get all the water out. Soap, 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 soap. So it looks something like that. Mixy, mixy, mixy. I gotta fix my hair, bro. It's so frizzy. Okay. More soap. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that launched. More soap, enough soap till it won't go in anymore. You have to make it go in. Like this. And it starts looking like this. There. You're gonna get it wet. And then go to the part that's nasty. Do this. See all that foundation nasty stuff from it? Just keep doing that and keep squishing it. Get more water. And swish it around. This will take a little bit, guys. I'm sorry. I do a special thing after. So after you're about almost done, well, it looks something like that. Rinse your hands off in the nasty water, okay? In the nasty water. Okay? You're gonna want to drain your water. This water is literally yellow. capturing it. Rinse your hands. There's still soap in this, you see. So you get it wet again. Sponges are so hard to clean out. Like, bro. Can they make sponges easier to clean? Look at that. I've been scrubbing with this thing for hours. Not hours, for about approximately 5 minutes. It probably takes about 10 minutes. You gotta scrub it. It's gone, but you gotta keep getting the whole soap is out next. Just about gone. First, rinse your hands. If there's soap in your hands, you just keep absorbing soap. Okay. After it's about like that, because that's basically more soap. Okay. You're gonna want to get some perfume. Spray on it. Mix it around. So the next time you do it, your face will smell good. And good. Then this is for my tutorial. But yeah, it smells wonderful. Have a good day.